are some things buyers want but don't dare tell you as an entrepreneur. It's their untold desires. Kind of like you're dating them, but not. You'll see. But if you follow my advice in this video and you really lean into it, you're gonna have more fun marketing and selling to members of your niche, and they are gonna reward you with more follows, engagements, opt-ins to your email list, and yes, more sales. Do you feel like you're marketing and selling on behalf of your business and you just aren't getting enthusiastic inquiries from qualified leads? Do you feel like you run sales and, well, no one cares? Do you dream of being seen as an awesome thought leader in your space, a successful business owner that everyone wants to get an audience with, but you feel like that's never gonna realistically happen? Maybe you wanna create a passionate brand-based community that is craving your business's every offering, and when they get a piece of it, they've never been so satisfied and happy, but you just don't know how to create content that will create those circumstances? Well, I want you to listen up, because I'm going to share with you a few tips that are about to change everything for you. My name is Stacey Storino, and I've been an entrepreneur for 25 years and a content marketing for conversions business coach for the last 10 of those years with thousands of students across the world. I help entrepreneurs create content that drives more traffic to their business so that they can do more business. If that sounds like something you want to do more of, do more business and have your content marketing help you to do that, well, click the subscribe button for this channel. Now, first thing your buyers want is they want a relationship with you. Just like most people would not want to go out on a date with someone just to be treated like a piece of meat that someone wants to score with, and that's that, your potential new buyers don't want to feel like all they are is a sale to you. They want to feel like you care about them as a human being and care about the problem they want to solve. And it's great that your offerings can help them do that. It really is. And they might believe that your offerings are great and all, but not right away. Not just because you put out a parade of product photos in your social media feed, and on top of that, a tsunami of sales announcements. Those are necessary to your content marketing, but that's not relationship marketing. Only 2% of people at best exposed to you for the first time will convert just sales-based content. The other 98%, they need to feel like they know, like, and trust your brand first. Relationship marketing is necessary to get most people to convert. Even after they subscribe to you or follow you on social, they may not feel comfortable enough yet for them to take out their wallet and make a purchase. They need to check you out as a brand leader. They need to see if you really understand people like them with the desires they have, because people do buy from businesses and business owners who they like, who come across as though they're caring and understanding in terms of what they say during live streams, in pre-recorded videos, and in what they write in social media post captions of all kinds. If you treat social media like a bulletin board where you're just posting about products and sales all flat and simple, everyone gets the message. They're just a sale, not a person you're trying to have a relationship with before, during, and after they've solved their problem. So what can help you to create that relationship with the buyer? What can you change about your content marketing? Well, for one thing, buyers need foreplay. Let's use dating as a metaphor. Most people going out on a date will not be into you if you're just cut and dry, two-dimensional with your conversation. You're not showering them with affection and a ton of interest about what makes them tick, what they're currently struggling with, what they love and hate. You have to get to know your date better. You show them that you understand them well, or make it clear that you want to. You don't treat this stuff like it's a chore to be rushed through. Same thing with your content marketing. You love your brand-based community. You communicate with your content consumers in the comments. You shower them with attention, meaning content, and all kinds of content. Content that educates, entertains, and inspires them. You spoil them. You're not always selling to them. You become more interesting to your ideal customer the more you show that you're interested in them. So just like you would with someone you're romantically interested in, you should appreciate their fantasies. Now, when it comes to your ideal customer's fantasies, it's all about solving the problem that they have or satisfying that deeply held desire that they want filled in their personal or professional life. Your ideal customer's favorite subject in the world is themselves and the problem they're struggling with. Their fantasies are really just the projections of what life would be like for them when their problem is solved or their personal or professional desire is satisfied. When you create content that educates, entertains, and or inspires them, relationship marketing, you should always layer in something having to do with the payoff they'll enjoy once they've resolved their issue. This way, when you create even straight-up sales-based content and you weave in how their fantasies can become reality, they're more likely to accept your offer to get out of pain and into pleasure thanks to your business's offerings. If you're new to this channel, you've been watching this long, please subscribe so I can help you even more in terms of your content marketing with the videos on my YouTube channel. Now, if all you do is post a parade of product photos and or a tsunami of sales announcements in your social feed without connecting the dots between what your offerings can do and how it will cause your ideal customer's fantasies of having a problem solved into a reality, then they're not going to care enough about you and your business's offerings to make a move. It's like being on a date with someone and all you're acting like is someone who's interested in yourself. So not a turn on, right? But when you're interested in the other person and their fantasies, what makes them tick, what would help them to be happier, they're more likely to reciprocate your affection. Buyers want you to care about them, their problems, and desires. If you care about the sale over and above that, they can tell, and they won't buy. Okay, here's a surprising tip. Compliment them. People really get great dopamine hits when you compliment them. They feel a sense of pleasure. They find compliments highly rewarding. Think about when you get a compliment from someone. Feels nice, right? So, do you create content where you compliment your ideal customer for being brave as they're struggling with the problems that your business's offerings can help them to solve? Do you go into the comments section of a social media post and thank someone for their kind words? Do you compliment someone for asking a really smart question during a live stream you're running? Do you compliment someone who, let's say in the comments section of a YouTube video, shares something where they're being vulnerable, transparent, super honest? People want to feel seen and valued. When they're not just another digital face in the crowd in your eyes, you become a worthy brand or brand leader in their eyes. Buyers want to be appreciated, spoiled, and highly valued, but they won't dare tell you that because, let's be honest, they shouldn't have to tell you that. You should care about the people you're looking to serve. Zig Ziglar once said you can have everything in life you want if you will just help other people get what they want. It's true. Place the accent mark on your ideal customer and the struggle they're currently in, and not getting the sale all cut and dry. That may mean you'll have to create far more relationship marketing type content than you'd originally thought, and it's going to take far more effort than you might have imagined. But just like in a romantic relationship, when you put in more effort into building that relationship, it'll be far more enjoyable for both of you. Now, if you want more free training like this video, here's another video that YouTube thinks you might like. Enjoy.